love you, babe. Love you, babe. Oh, babe.
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, today's video is sponsored by Isee Hair. They sent me their 20-inch straight Malaysian hair. It's 150% density and it's a 4x4 closure wig. Guys, this was so silky. I don't think the video is giving it much justice. I really don't think it's doing it much justice, but I love it. It also came with 2 wig caps, some lashes, and you know, the regular flyer or whatever. Yeah, so we're just gonna hop right into it. I know I don't normally pop back into the videos, but I just have a couple things to say. One, this hair is really easy to work with. I was just really appalled. I don't really like straight hair because I feel like it's just so hard to work with. Curly hair is just my style, but this one was really easy to work with. And it could be divided into virgin hair, remy hair, no remy hair, but the best one is virgin hair. And if your budget is over $1,000, you could choose it. It has the perfect quality and generally without any chemical processing, and it could be used up to 10 years. The worst hair is no remy hair. They're the cheapest, but they're also the shortest life. It's like 3 to 5 months. The remy hair doesn't have cuticles after chemical treatment, which is why it tangles and breaks so easily. So yeah, I recommend remy hair. The cuticles of this kind of hair are relatively complete, and the direction of the cuticles is kept consistent by machine processing. So it keeps it soft, smooth, and silky. It's not easy to get tangled. It can be permed, it can be dyed. You know, the girl is versatile. Isee Hair is actually a top vendor on AliExpress, and they have outstanding supply chain capabilities and multiple self-owned factories. Their prices are normally 20 to 30% cheaper than other vendors. So your ear rates is good things. And I always hear good things about Isee Hair. This is my second time working with them, and I wouldn't work with a brand if I didn't like them and I didn't like their hair. So y'all know, if it was the other way around, I would say it. I would let you guys know if I don't like it. So yeah, just keep on watching the rest, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Yeah, love you, babe. Love you, babe. Oh, babe. Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you
too slow. And put that thing in low. I want you to rock the work it, baby, work it, baby. Change the position. Now stroke it, baby, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it. I want you to.
Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the video. This is what the hair is looking like. So I showed you guys two different styles. So you can do with the regular middle part with the layers, or you could add some bangs, you know, do a little something. I think the reason why these didn't come out exactly how I wanted to is because when I did the other hairstyle, I used the wax stick, and that kind of made these a little bit stiff, or they kind of look wet, so they're not as fluffy as they should be. But I know when I wash the hair and all that stuff, it would look real cute. But I think it's giving the girls Pocahontas. I don't know, y'all tell me. I'll tell me in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you to Isee Hair for sponsoring today's video. All the details today will be in the description box below, so y'all can go shop right now. And don't ask me where I get this hair from, because I have the video right here for you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.